Hello everyone. I'm going to create a video tutorial for profile preferences on Moodle. Okay, so in order to access preferences, you can just click this the top right and then click preferences. All right, under these preferences, there are two menu, we can say, user account, repositories, and pages. What I would like to discuss today is the user account. So under user account, we have edit profile. So let's say we click this. So we can edit our profile, like use our first name, last name, email address we can use, and we can choose whether our email is visible to course participant or hidden, right? We can also choose or select our country and then the time zone. We can also put some description, and yeah, there is a user picture here. So okay, good. So back to, actually I can add some picture here. So hopefully I have some picture. So upload file, click upload file and choose a file. I think I have a picture here in my computer, so just click picture and camera roll. Yeah. Oh, that's not the picture I wanted actually. Um, hmm. Okay. I can save it. I can change the later, but to show you, this is the picture I have here. So, okay, upload this file. Yeah, this is the image I have here, right? It will appear, I guess, in this profile picture, right? So if, like, for example, if I want to uh, update this, so just update profile, but I just want to cancel it. Okay. All right. Under user account, we can also choose preferred language. And previously, I made a video of the editor preferences, right? Let's go back to, let's discuss forum preferences first. So, okay. Um, yeah, we can choose whether, like, for example, we want to auto subscribe to the forum. In this case, I click yes. This is default, I guess. Don't change anything on this forum preferences. So we can just, if we don't make any changes, let's go. We can click this preferences, so we can go back to the previous page, or we can just click cancel. I prefer, okay, I just click preferences here. Move on to editor preferences. I talked about this in my previous video tutorial, and for text editor, I prefer the Tiny MC editor because it's very simple. I mean, it doesn't clutter my uh, message box. Okay, so I don't make any changes. So let's move on to preferences. All right. We can also click or change the notification. Okay, so we can disable notification, but I prefer not to disable because if, like, there is some new assignment or some announcement from the moderator, or the moderator, then they can notify me, or I can be notified through email or my mobile. So I prefer to keep my notification. I I don't want to disable any notification. Okay. Now under these preferences, we can also make any changes in the patches. And in the previous video, I guess the moderators, Dr. Nelly Deutsch, I think, talk about backpack settings, and I think I made some changes there. So I connect my the patches. I connect this Moodle to the Badger.io. Okay, so I don't make any changes. So I'll go back to preferences again. All right, I think that's all from me. It covers most of the most important thing about preferences. So, right. Thank you for watching and thank you. See you soon.